Nag-crave ba kag lamian na burger? Then save this video for your next food trip. Hey guys, this is Kenneth and come with me as we try Yombig's Burger. And they are located at lower ground floor sa SM City Cebu branch and kilid jud mismo sa SM Supermarket. And in fairness guys, ganahan kaayo ko sa interior o styling diri sa Yombig Burger. Plus, catchy kaayo and appealing ra sa ilahang mga customers. And awarded sila sa Restaurant Guru. And of course, we got invited and we got to try the best burgers. And this is what we ordered, guys. First, kanilang cheesy crinkle cut fries na lamian kay ko and I love the seasoning. Next is their chicken nuggets. Nahan ko sa ilang barbecue sauce and lami ilsad ang nuggets. So gamay ra siya but swak sa tiyan. Next, kanilang double cheese stacker burger na wala gitipid sa ingredients and lami sad siya. And lastly, ilahang chibi burger. Mauni akong pinaka-fave, lami kaayo and mobalik jud ko diri. And bitaw guys, tinuod jud ang chismis. Lami jud ang foods diri sa Yombig Burger. And mao din nilahang menu, please pause lang for your reference. And kabalo ko na nag-crave sad mo wal nagtanaw sa akong video. So what are you waiting for? Visit Yombig Burger and salamat sa pagtanaw.